Hi everyone, what's for supper tonight? We will be having Asian-inspired deviled eggs and Thai roasted salmon. So the first ingredients, Asian-inspired deviled eggs, we're going to need 6 hard-boiled eggs cooled to room temperature, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, sour cream or plain yogurt. I'm going to be using the plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar or white vinegar. I'll be using the rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons chopped celery or green onion. I'll be using the celery. 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger or 1/8 teaspoon ground ginger. I'll be using the ground ginger. 1/2 teaspoon Thai chili paste. That's optional. I'm not using that because I don't have any. Coarsely ground pink or mixed peppercorns or coarsely ground black pepper. I don't have any black peppercorns. I thought I did, so I'm just going to be using my regular ground black pepper, and it's fairly coarse. Snipped fresh mint or cilantro or sliced green onions. And this is optional. I'm using the green onions because I don't have any cilantro, which is what I wanted to use. But this was a very spur-of-the-moment thing to add to my original recipe, which is the Thai roasted salmon. So let me tell you what all goes into the Thai roasted salmon. 1/4 cup Thai chili sauce, 1/4 cup sweet and sour sauce, 1 clove garlic minced. I'm just going to use the already minced garlic. 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet. I have 4 salmon fillets that I'm going to be using, which is about 24 ounces. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. 2 scallions sliced. I'm going to just be using green onion. So let's begin. All right, so my eggs are cooled and they're room temperature. We will be cutting them lengthwise and then putting the yolks in the bowl. So the eggs are all cut. We'll just set them aside for right now. We want to mash the yolks until they're all smushed. Then add your sour cream, mayonnaise, or in my case, the plain yogurt. And that was 1/4 cup of the yogurt and yolks from 6 eggs. 1 teaspoon of the rice vinegar, and if you don't have rice vinegar, you can use white vinegar. And then just mix that until it's thoroughly combined. Now Dave may not like these. So far I haven't found any deviled eggs that he likes very well, except for the mayonnaise and mustard egg. So I'm trying to expand his horizons here. So stir in the 1/8 teaspoon ground ginger. And if you have the fresh ginger, that's 1/2 teaspoon grated. And then the 2 tablespoons of chopped celery, or if you would rather, 2 tablespoons of green onions. And mix that in until it's thoroughly combined. All right, so we have our yolk mix all mixed up. We will put them in the eggs. And you can refrigerate these until you're ready to serve up to 24 hours. I will finish this and then I'll be right back. Here they are all filled. We'll put them in the refrigerator until Dave comes home for supper. Then I'll go ahead and garnish them before I serve it. Take a 9 by 13 pan and spray it with cooking spray. And set it aside. Preheat your oven to 350. In a small bowl, combine the Thai chili sauce. That is 1/4 cup. The 1/4 cup of the sweet and sour sauce. And the 1 clove of garlic, which is 1/2 teaspoon of the already minced stuff. Mix until well combined. Take your salmon and place it in the pan. Take your sauce and spoon it over the salmon. Then sprinkle it with sesame seeds. Put your salmon in a 350-degree oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until it's flaky. So here are the Asian-inspired deviled eggs. We're going to garnish them with some black pepper and some green onions. And here is the Thai roasted salmon, and we're going to top them with scallions if you have them, but I'm using green onions. So here we have the Asian-inspired deviled eggs and the Thai roasted salmon, and rounding out the meal is sweet chili noodles. I'll let my husband do a taste test.
I'm testing
Thai roasted salmon and the Asian-inspired deviled eggs.
Okay, and not the noodles?
Not the noodles.
Okay. Salmon's good. The eggs are different from normal deviled eggs. The onions are nice and crunchy. I don't know exactly how to to describe it. It's a little less, a little more bland maybe than the conventional. Maybe there's not as much mustard or
There's no mustard.
Oh, there's no mustard. Okay, so I like them, but it doesn't taste like a conventional deviled egg to me. But I find the taste is okay. I like the salmon a lot, though.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.